The Tagline Master winch is an automatic control system which gives full and safe control of a load when it is lifted with a crane. It can be used for many purposes. For instance, this video shows the installation of the blades on a wind turbine. It is fast, safe, and under control either onshore or offshore. Select the setting on the Tagline Master winch for the blade lift. All settings are preset in the program and are easy to select. When the crane hook and the taglines are connected to the C-yoke, set the Tagline Master winch on, and you are ready to lift. The Tagline Master will wind in and tighten the tagline. For example, if it is set for total tension at 500 kilograms on the system, there will be 250 kilogram tension on each tagline, which gives the total tension at 500 kilograms. Move the C-yoke to the blade stack. The remote control for the Tagline Master can be used to wind the tagline winches and draw the taglines out or in to rotate the C-yoke to the right position. During this rotation, there is constant full tension on the taglines, which means one tagline may be at 85% and the other at 15% to keep the total tension at 100%, equaling 500 kilograms. The Tagline Master will keep the blade in the same position in relation to the crane during rotation. If the tension in one of the taglines increases because of rotation or the wind, the Tagline Master will automatically increase the tension to the Tagline Master winch on this side and decrease the tension in the other Tagline Master winch, for example 70% and 30%, to keep the total tension at 100%, equaling 500 kilograms. Note that if the tension is increased more than the Tagline Master is set to hold, 500 kilograms, and the total tension is higher than the 500 kilograms, the winch will wind out until the 500 kilograms is reached and automatically wind in again when the tension falls below the 500 kilograms. This is done to ensure that the load does not rotate and to prevent the crane and the lifting equipment being overloaded. When the blade is in position beside the hub, the remote control for the Tagline Master can be used to wind the tagline winches and draw the taglines out or in, to rotate the blade to the right position. During this rotation, there is constant full tension on the taglines, which means one tagline may be at 55% and the other at 45%, to keep the total tension at 100%, equaling 500 kilograms. You are sure of a safe lift with no undesirable movements of the blade. The Tagline Master has the position of the blade under full control during the entire lift. When the correct position is reached, press Save on the remote control for the Tagline Master to save the actual position of the C-yoke, the length of the taglines. It will be easy to find when it is time to mount the next blade. When the blade is just beside the hub, ready for the bolts to go into the holes, the tension on the taglines can be reduced by using the remote control. If there is too much tension on the taglines, the blade will be too rigid to steer the bolts into the holes. The blade can now be bolted to the hub. By using the remote control, the C-yoke can now be released from the blade and lowered. Data will be logged during the whole installation: actual wind speed, the tension forces applied. It can be useful to analyze the log data to see if it is safe and possible to install wind turbines in high wind. Has the installation been close to the limit of the permissible tension in the taglines? If the installation has taken too long, the data can be used to see if the problem is caused by the crew or the system. The alarm list can also be analyzed, or the AH can log on direct from home to help locate the alarm. Always safe and in control of lifting and installation.